Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'll teach us how to make a cycle dress. For those of you seeing me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm making use of 2.5 yards of Ankara fabric. Yeah, I'm making use of 2 yards. 2.5. That is 2.5 yards. So all you need to do is fold into two like this. Fold into two like this. Then after, when you might have folded into two like this, you just pick from this side. You understand? This closed side. Just pick it this way. Just pick it this way. If you like, you can pick from the left side or the right side. Yeah, you can decide to pick like this. Then you can decide to pick like this. Just fold it and make it equal. You don't have to leave any allowance here. Just make it equal. So this is it. So after, when you might have folded it this way, so all you need to do now is take your measurement. I'm sewing for bust 38, then shoulder 14. Shoulder 14. Then the length is probably going to be around 38 because it's going to be a short circle dress. So all you need to do, look at this place. This folded part is the one that is facing me directly. You understand? So now I'm having shoulder of what is it called, 14, which is divided by 2 is 7, right? So you are going to place your tape here. You are going to measure anywhere you know that you're going to have your complete shoulder measurement. That is where you start taking your measurement from. So I think here is okay for me. You can decide to just rule a straight line like this. You can decide to just get a straight line so that you know what you're doing. So from here, I have 7 inches, which is 14 divided by 2. It's going to be a sleeveless flare dress. So this is it. 14 divided by 2, 7. So from that point, you take your armhole measurement, which is 7 again. From this point, your armhole measurement, which is 7. In this case, you only need your bust measurement, just your bust measurement. So we're having 38, bust 38 inches. So all you need to do is just add maybe 3 inches. Let's add 3 inches so that it will be very free. So making 41, or probably 4 inches. You can even add 4 inches because it's definitely gonna be a free dress, a free circle dress. So we're adding 4 inches to the normal bust measurement, which is 38. So now we're going to have 42. So 42 divided by 4 is 10.2. You mark this way, then you add your either 1.5 or 2 inches, so in allowance, whichever one you want to add. So just curve your armhole. Curve your armhole this way. So from this part, you are going straight. From your allowance, you are going straight. So meanwhile, from this point, from this line that I ruled the other time, you are going to take you're going to determine your full length measurement. So here I'm using 40. So you place your tape at the middle again. Place it at the middle again. You have your 40. Then from this point, you are going to mark your 40. But this particular fabric, this 2.5 inches, I think it can only work for length of 36. This can only work for length of 36. If not, we'll have unnecessary joining at the down part. So we are going to make use of that 36, which is this 36 here, then 36 here. So which means if you want a longer a longer length, that means you're going to increase the size of fabric. You use maybe probably 3 or 3.5 inches. So it's going to be this way. So first and foremost, let me cut this out. Let me cut this out like this. So you cut this. You cut this. This. So now you are going to determine the wideness and the depth of the neck, depending on how wide and how deep you want it. So probably me, I'm using 4 here. Then I'm using 4 here, which is 4. So it's going to be this way, both front and the back. Both front and the back. So after when you might have done this, you can decide to slant your shoulder a little bit. You can just slant with 1/2 or 1 inch. So that's that. Meanwhile, if you look at this place, we're having joining here. This upper one is not up to the full length. So all you need to do is take the remaining pieces to complement the full length measurement. So this is it. So now to complement this upper one, to make it equal with the down part, all you need to do is place this on this. Just place these remaining pieces on this with maybe 1/2 inch. That will serve as the joining allowance. So you take your tape rule to complete your measurement again. So starting from this upper part, we're supposed to have 36, which is this. This is 36. Then from this point, 36. So all you need to do is cut this remaining piece. So this one will complete the measurement of this upper part. So which means if you're using if you're cutting for a longer length, so that means you are going to use a bigger fabric, maybe like 3, just like I said the other time, maybe like 3.5 or 4 years probably. You understand? So it depends on the length you want, but basically this is how you do your cycle dress. So all you need to do now is just join the side. Just join the side with whatever measurement you want to, whatever allowance you want it to have, maybe 1.5 or 2 inches, or probably maybe 1 self. Then join your shoulder, then you pipe your neckline, then your circle dress is ready. Your circle dress is ready. I'm coming. Let me join the side so that you guys can see. After when you might have joined now, this is what it's going to look like. Just join the sides. Do whatever you want to do with the neck, either piping or maybe design or beading or whatsoever. Pipe your armpit. Then this is it. You are also going to pipe the down part. So after wearing, definitely the flare will form. It's going to form. It's going to form this way. It's definitely going to form this way. It's going to form this way. So if you like, even after when you want to have put it on, you can decide to use belt. You can try to just use belt on it. Maybe like this. I decide to use belt on it, then your circle dress is ready. I cannot put it on, I would have actually just put it on so that you guys will see. Well, after when you might have done it this way, the circle dress is ready. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you guys next time.